Oh. I didn't realise you were going to take that many bites of it. And the car couldn't turn around the corner up there without coming to the opposite side of the road. Yeah, there's no point. I was going to make a video talking about moaning about fucking car drivers. There is no point. Everyone knows it. They're all the fucking same all over the world. Oh. It is snowing. It is snowing over there, yeah? Yeah? Is it snow? No! It's snowing! It's a cold water from the sky! It comes in, yeah! And the German subscriber of mine is currently quite pissed off with me. I'm so sorry! I know you don't. Well, looky here! We're down old merry old England! Did you know they got no frogs, no turtles, no python? You can't eat none of them shits! What do they eat from here? Stones? I don't think so. Ain't no varmints? There's these seagulls. You can eat them, but they're a little bit fishy and difficult to catch. Watch. Ah! And look at this! There's a sunbeam coming from the sky! We go up here. Yes, we do. Oi, crow! Crow! Oi, crow! Fuck off! Well, belligerent you are. Let's go play some volleyball. Volleyball! Hey, crow! Let's play volleyball together! Then let us aim at some seagulls. Now, stalking these seagulls shouldn't be child's play. I've done it many times before. But on this occasion, there's a smart one. Stuart! Yes, the seagull called Stuart in the middle of those. He knows me, and he knows what I'm up to. He's going to tell the others. Hey, Frank? Yes, Stuart? That guy over there, he's a dick. Keeps scaring us. He's like, well, let's fly off then. No, let's sit here and then let's fly. There he is. Stuart. Who shits when he sees me. Shows me his open beak and flies with much power and might. Oh, he's only got one leg though. I want to be with the seagulls. Let me be one of you. I am one with the seagulls. Ah! Ah! Let me come with you. I want to sit on the ground. Why won't you let me be your friend? Land, 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 land. There is where we'll sit together. Friends. Ah! Ah! Oh, they probably won't notice it's me. Ah! Ah! Oh. Okay. Evidently, I'm not really wanted amongst the seagulls. And I personally think that's a little bit unfair. Just want to be a friend. Hug? Hug. Go on, hug. Hug. Give me a hug. Okay, you. Hug. Hug. Rejection after rejection. Hug. Oh, well, fuck all of you! Well, maybe I can be friends with the crows instead. Crows. Yes, we can be friends. Num num. Let's eat on these chips. Num num num. There is a bit of old wet bread. Num 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 num. Why? Why would you like wet bread? Wet bread is disgusting. Oh, there's a bit of wet bread. Don't get more wet bread. I can see it's in your beak, mate. Oh, I'm going to get you wet bread. Woohoo, wet bread. See, the crows are more intelligent than he can't turn that quickly. This one's a runner. This one don't fly. Ah, see? Fooled me. Made me think he couldn't fly. Maybe I can sneak up on this one. Keep low. He won't see me. He might not see me. I might have just nearly fallen off. Hello, crow! Okay. It's time to go home. Oh, there's more crows. Hello, crows! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh, I say that a lot, it's not a bit of a problem, it's fine. Come on, Jesse, there you go. Friend! Let us be friends! Yay, this one wants to be friends. No, calm. Friend, I'm gonna walk this way. Get a little bit closer. It's a bit like horse whispering this. 45-degree angle. Never looking directly at them. The lips in the mouth. Fuck! Okay, you're on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side of the road. You're still on the wrong side of the road. Still on the wrong side. Okay. Stealth attack. I'm a seagull, look, I hang around puddles going, peck, 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 preen, preen. Ah, there's two here. Friends! Ho! So basically, as you can tell, I'm not quite the Seagull Whisperer I thought I was. I have to go back into training. One day in a video, I'm going to walk up to a seagull and pick the fucking thing up. Mark my words! With not fucking likely! But I'm getting sick of being kicked by the fucking admin, and like, I mean, it's all down to some snotty little pus-faced dickhead who's nicked 20 quid of his mum's money or whatever it fucking is. Fly with me! Be one of the pack! Flock! Be one of the flock! No, yes, over here! Where'd he go? Motherfucker!